Dear students, we were discussing about loose connective tissue. In that loose connective tissue, the cells and fibers are loosely arranged in the matrix. In the loose connective tissue, cells and fibers are loosely arranged in the matrix. The best example for loose connective tissue are areolar connective tissue and adipose tissue. Areolar connective tissue and adipose tissue. In the last class only we have discussed about the structure of areolar connective tissue. Structure of areolar connective tissue already we have discussed in the last class. Areolar connective tissue is the loose connective tissue which contains mainly 3 types of fibers and 5 types of cells. The 3 types of cells present in the 3 types of fibers present in the areolar connective tissue are white fibers, yellow fibers and reticular fibers. Whereas the 5 types of cells present in the matrix of the areolar connective tissue are fibroblast, plasma cells, mast cells, adipose cells and macrophages. The functions of all these cells already we have discussed in the last class. This areolar connective tissue is present below the skin. Location of areolar connective tissue. It is present below the skin. Areolar connective tissue is present below the skin around the muscle fibers. Around muscle fibers below the skin, around the muscle fibers or around the muscle bundles. Many muscle fibers forms a bundle. Around the muscle bundles, these areolar connective tissues are present and they are present between muscle fibers. They are present between muscle fibers. Means between 2 muscle fibers, these areolar connective tissues are present and also present between the blood vessels. And the main function of areolar connective tissue. Functions of areolar connective tissue. Functions of areolar connective tissue. One is it acts as a medium. Areolar connective tissue acts as a medium through which exchange takes place between blood and tissue cells. Areolar connective tissue acts as a medium through areolar connective tissues only. Exchange of materials takes place between blood and tissue cells. And another function is it helps in attachment. Areolar connective tissue helps in attachment and also it helps in defense against infection, or it is involved in defense mechanism of the body. Defense against infection. Defense against infection means protecting the body from disease causing organisms or infection causing microorganisms. Defense means protecting the body from infection causing microorganisms. That is called defense against infection. So these are the main functions of areolar connective tissue. This is location of areolar connective tissue and these are the functions of areolar connective tissue. Next one is adipose tissue. Another loose connective tissue. Another loose connective tissue is adipose tissue. Adipose tissue. Adipose tissue is a type of modified loose connective tissue. It is a type of modified loose connective tissue. And the matrix of the adipose tissue contain numerous fat storing cells. Numerous fat storing cells are present in the matrix of adipose tissue. Many fat storing cells called adipocytes. Adipocytes are the fat storing cells, means these are the cells which are specialized to store the fat in the body. Storage of fat in the body, storage of fat takes place in the adipocytes, means these are fat storing cells. The excess of nutrients which are not used immediately are converted into fats and then stored in the adipose tissues. Excess of nutrients. When we are consuming the food, we will take excess of food. And that excess of food will not be utilized immediately that energy will not be utilized to do work. At that time, that extra nutrients which are not utilized at that time will be converted into fats. That will be converted into fats, and that fat gets stored in the adipose tissue. The matrix of the adipose tissue contains fibers. Matrix of the adipose tissue contains white, yellow and reticular fibers. Three types of fibers are present in the matrix of the adipose tissue, and the different types of cells like mast cells, macrophages, then fibroblasts are present. The different types of cells like mast cells, macrophages and fibroblasts are present in the matrix of the adipose tissue. Each fat cell is oval shaped with centrally located nucleus. Centrally located fat droplets. In case of fat cell, it is oval shaped and central portion is always filled with the fat droplets and cytoplasm, but nucleus is always present at the periphery, like plant cells. In case of plant cells, at the center, large vacuole will be present. Because of the presence of large vacuole at the center, nucleus is pushed to the periphery in case of plant cell. In case of adipocytes or in case of fat cells, at the center, large fat droplets will be present. Hence nucleus is present at the periphery, means at the side. Okay, cells are oval shaped or adipocytes. Adipocytes are oval shaped. Nucleus is present at the periphery, means at the side, and at the center fat droplets are present. Location. These adipose tissues are present under the skin or beneath the skin. Adipose tissues are present, and it is also present around the joints. Adipose tissues are present below the skin and around the joints. The main functions or important functions of adipose tissues. Functions of adipose tissues. Adipose tissue is a reserve food supply. reserve. It is a reserve food supply. Reserve food supply means it stores the food in the form of fat. Whenever body requires energy, at that time this fat will be converted into energy. It is a reserve food supply. And adipose tissues act as an insulator. It acts as an insulator against heat and cold. It acts as an insulator against heat and cold. And it protects and provides a packing or cushioning effect to vital organs. Adipose tissue provides a packing or cushioning effect to vital organs, means important organs. Now we will look into the diagram of adipose tissue. Adipose tissue which contains many adipocytes which are oval shaped. Adipocytes are oval shaped. These are oval shaped adipocytes. Oval shaped adipocytes. See, in case of adipocytes, at the center fat droplets are present. See, these are fat droplets. At the center of the adipocytes, fat droplets are present. Like this, fat droplets, and always nucleus and cytoplasm is pushed to the periphery. This is nucleus and this is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm and this one is nucleus. Cytoplasm and nucleus. Both are pushed to the periphery, means at the side. Fat cells or adipocytes are oval shaped. They are oval shaped cells, and at the center they are having large fat droplets. Nucleus and cytoplasm is pushed to the periphery. And in the adipose tissue, various fibers are present. Fibers. It contains fibers. Yellow fibers, white fibers, reticular fibers. Various types of fibers are present. Other than this, in the matrix, the cells are also present. The cells like macrophages, fibroblast, macrophages, like this. Fibers and various cells. So this is the fat cell, and this is fat droplet, and this one is the nucleus. It is present at the periphery, and this is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is also present in the periphery, and these are the fibers, various types of fibers, and this is the matrix of the adipose tissue. This is matrix. This is the structure of adipose tissue. Thank you.